So imagine you don't have time to trade the New York session, or the London fits you more, or maybe you can want to trade the London and New York session. So I will show you my strategy during the London, okay? And this is the same thing as the previous videos, but applying with different times in London session. So as you can see here, yesterday would be a win, as you can see. And I will break down this trade. Let's go to the 4 hour. So yeah, I will delete all. So the 4 hour before the session, we have here like a recent resistance, and we have here too the support, okay, before the session, and we have here too, okay. So we drop to the 5 minutes and we go to the London session. London session, we have here price breaking above this resistance, but this is the break was before the Frankfurt Open, so I don't care about this zone. So I don't have nothing in this leg, because here I can sell because price coming from up to the up to down, and as you can see the moving average is below, so I can sell against it. So I don't have any sells here, as you can see, no supports, and price rejected this 4 hour like perfectly and went up. So when price go up, I had like this zone here to look for buys, but price made a pullback again to the 4 hour and rejected. So price made a new fresh resistance. Okay, as you can see, price rejected and finally break above and didn't have a retest. Okay, so price the next candle closed above the other zone, so I will put my limit here. Okay, 25 pips SL, 25 TP, and as you can see, price break and tap my zone. Okay, and tap the other one too, but SL was nicely covered with the 25 pips. Price just tapped the zones and went to my TP. This was the first trade on Wednesday, so yesterday. Today we would have other win, so I will break down. As you can see here, we had this resistance, we had this support, and let me see if we have something more. Maybe this. Let me see. Okay, now I go to the 5 minutes, and what we have price rejecting the 4 hour, as you can see, and we have here a support, and this support is exactly the same as I had yesterday with Nasdaq. I made a video, the previous video before this one. I made a video about this tip. Okay, for example, here, okay, we have a support above the moving average, but if the price that break out this zone break at the same time the moving average, price is ignoring the moving average and will react it as a resistance. Okay, so it's like you have like now two resistance, this one and the moving average. As you can see, price break, and this would be a valid entry here, 25 pips, and price just hit the TP so fast. You can see price reject the moving average and the zone with the several candles. Okay, and yeah, it's the same thing as Nasdaq, but in London session. The times for this is from 7 a.m. to 10. So for you guys, for your time. This is the New York Times, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. for London, and for New York 9:30 to 11. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. This is a quick video about London session, if you want to trade the London session. Okay, and yeah, DAX is giving many win streaks too. Is very clean, so you can trade it. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next video.